a ZCC member, but the DAF one.
How's the tune? It's different, the tune of the ZCC.
Yeah, those one they even sing. They don't sing for God. They sing for that river they call Kwenan.
Everything that the devil gives you, it never stays. Nothing it can give you that you'll say this is good. But the thing is that the minute we moved into the room, we started praying. When we prayed, she came. She knocked on the door. She said, "Are you praying in my house? What did you just do now? Were you praying?" I said, "Yeah, we were praying." She said, "Not in this house." Yeah. She was as a CC member, the woman.
I'm phone okay.
She was as a CC member. Then she said, "We must not pray in her house."
You know, we were practicing witchcraft. I remember.
So you're a former member.
Yes. I remember there was a time that we would go to Crossroads, you know, at the end of the road.
Yeah.
And they would tell you, you know, buy this color cool drink, so a red color cool drink. And when you get there, you say the names of people and you break it and you turn around.
Why are you saying the names?
You're shattering the lives of people.
Ah, man.
Yeah, you're shattering their lives, and you're just bringing conflict, you're bringing, you know, torment, you're bringing, you know, depression, all these things. You're just cursing people, you know, and that is what we were doing, you know. So we did a lot of things in the ZCC church, a lot of things, and I wish I could go into.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So I'm sure by now you might have seen these three ladies trending there on TikTok. You guys, now these three ladies were all guests to go the podcast here, Chris Network here on YouTube. This lady's name is Nonofo. I first saw her from the podcast, and then Matapelo, of course, from the podcast. I don't know about the third one. All of them once were, you know, members of the ZCC, and of course, Matapelo also said that she was a Sangoma and also was a witch. Now that now she has turned her life and found Christ, of course, and they are educating people about, you know, the dark spiritual entities that are there existing. And they have been going on to Chris Network's podcast and to talk about where they came from, and three of them all came from the Church of the ZCC, you guys, and they are trending because of the testimonies that they are doing against the Church of the ZCC, you guys. And people are actually fuming, as you heard Unonofo saying that there is no God, go Greking ZCC. And of course, Matapelo saying that they do not worship God, but they worship their leader, and of course, a river called Kwenana. And then this lady also has her own testimony when she says that, you know, she explains that she was praying, and someone from the Church of ZCC who was working as a maid, you know, came to her and said that do not even think of praying. So basically, all these three ladies have a similar story, and they are telling their stories, and they are all saying that the Church of ZCC is not from God, you guys. However, they are receiving quite a lot of backlash on TikTok, obviously, for, you know, tarnishing the name of the Church of ZCC. You guys, people are actually fuming that this lady would have such nerves to just go on national podcast to tarnish the name of the Church of the ZCCs. People now are asking, what is it? Are they being paid? They were actually coming for Chris Network for giving them a platform onto his podcast, saying, Chris, how could you, you know, give these ladies platform, knowing very well that they're just tarnishing the name of churches out there. They were saying that Chris is probably enjoying the attention that he is getting and the views. They were saying that you're probably doing it for views because you're making money. However, you're busy tarnishing the name of the Church of ZCC. I think I saw a comment of someone saying that, you know, Chris was once sued by Pastor Mkuba. They're saying that now that Pastor Mkuba sued you, you have no content at all. So you have decided to switch your content from Mkuba to the Church of ZCC, all in the name of making money. People were basically dragging these ladies to filth of course, saying that Bona, they are for that church, and whatever these ladies are saying, they have never experienced that. You guys, with Nonofo's testimony, they were saying that Nonofo didn't go to like the church of the ZCC. According to her testimonies, she went to the Arelo. The Arelo is not a church. It is like, someone starting, like maybe a prophet starting like a private consultation of his own. So people are saying that's where Unonofo went and not Kokrekeng ZCC. You guys, they were basically saying to her, tell the people the truth, because Kokrekeng, they usually tell us to not consult those. That's what people were actually saying after these three ladies went to Chris Network's podcast to say that there is no God Kokrekeng at the ZCC, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you do share those videos so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.